Gout is a type of arthritis that is caused by a buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints. Uric acid is a waste product produced when the body breaks down purines, substances found in many foods. Normally, uric acid is dissolved in the blood and excreted from the body through the kidneys. Here are some foods to avoid if you have gout. High purine foods. Purines are substances found in many foods that are broken down into uric acid in the body. High purine foods to avoid include organ meats, such as liver and kidney, red meat, game meat, seafood, such as anchovies, sardines and shrimp, and some types of beans, such as lentils and chickpeas. Alcohol. Alcohol can increase uric acid production in the body and make gout symptoms worse. Beer and hard liquor, in particular, have been linked to gout attacks. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice can raise uric acid levels in the body and increase the risk of gout attacks. Processed foods. Processed foods like fast food, snacks, and frozen meals often contain high levels of purines, salt, and sugar, which can exacerbate gout symptoms. Yeast. Yeast-containing foods like bread, beer, and baked goods can trigger gout attacks in some people. Instead, focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. It's also important to drink plenty of water to help flush uric acid out of the body. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for a personalized diet plan that meets your nutritional needs and helps manage your gout symptoms.